Come take a look at this 2005 Ford Super Duty F-250. The Super Duty F-250 has just under 112,500 miles. This vehicle has a limited warranty. The Super Duty F-250 boasts a 6.0-liter engine and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses diesel. Additional options for this vehicle include the solid paint, standard, leather front luxury captain's chairs with console, with 17L Lariat luxury package, FX4 off-road package, 6.0 LD turbo diesel power-stroke engine and a 3.73 axle ratio, REC, 995 or 99p engine. Call 877-705-4252 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.